Welcome to this tutorial on how to disable the Make Follow primary action on LinkedIn. If you've recently switched your LinkedIn profile button from Connect to Follow to manage your audience better, but now want to revert back to the default Connect button, this guide is for you. First, open the LinkedIn app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Me icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on this icon to access your profile settings. Next, navigate to Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account, including how others interact with you. In the Settings menu, select Visibility. This section allows you to control what others can see about you on LinkedIn, including your activity and profile information. Scroll down through the visibility options until you reach the Followers section. Here, you'll find the setting that controls whether your profile displays a Follow or Connect button. Look for the toggle labeled Make Follow Primary. This is the setting that determines whether your main action button is Follow or Connect. If you want to switch back to the Connect button, simply toggle this option to the No position. By disabling Make Follow Primary, you're essentially reverting your profile's main action button back to Connect. This means that when people visit your profile, they will be prompted to send you a connection request instead of following you. Switching back to Connect can be useful if you prefer a more interactive approach with your network, allowing you to see updates from those you connect with and engage in mutual conversations. That's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully disabled the Make Follow primary action on your LinkedIn profile. This change will help you manage your connections more effectively and tailor your LinkedIn experience to suit your needs. If you have any more questions or need further assistance with LinkedIn settings, feel free to explore more tutorials or reach out to LinkedIn support. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you optimize your LinkedIn profile.